Think you need expensive AI tools? We tested the best free options that actually compete with paid versions. Here's what we found. Creators and freelancers often skip AI because they think it's costly. Truth is, many free tools rival premium options. We tested dozens to find which ones deliver real results without breaking your budget. Some are limited, others are surprisingly powerful. Let's break down what actually works. ChatGPT tier handles 90% of writing tasks. Canva AI creates professional graphics instantly. Google Gemini beats premium competitors for research. Perplexity ages real-time answers competitors charge for research. Perplexity ages real-time answers monthly. Each solves real problems, no hidden catches. Are you die? Bahaba people. Free tools have limits, monthly credits, slower speeds, fewer features. Paid subscriptions win when you need unlimited usage, priority support, or advanced features. For serious freelancers handling client work, paid versions save time, and time is money. But start free. Upgrade only when you hit real limits. Use free tools for experimenting and learning. Layer in one paid subscription for your main workflow. This cuts cost while accessing premium features where they matter most. Most successful creators we interviewed use 3-4 free tools plus one premium platform. That's the sweet spot for Roy. Drop a comment telling us your favorite free AI tool. Subscribe for whale AI tool reviews that save you money. And now that you feel reviews that